Hi students, we are discussing how to convert the physical quantity from one system of unit to another system. Now the third example I have considered, if the value of gravitational constant capital G is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square in the SI system, find its value in the CGS system. Okay, now in the SI system force is in Newton. In the CGS system the force is in dyne. Similarly, in SI system meter is the unit for length. So centimeter is the unit for length in the CGS system. And kilogram is the unit in the SI system for mass. The similar unit in CGS system is gram. So what should be the unit for gravitational constant in CGS system is dyne centimeter square per gram square. But the numerical value will not be the same. The 10 powers and all we have to find out. So we are going to compare the two systems here. One is CGS system, the other one is the SI system. But irrespective of the CGS and the SI system, the dimensional formula for G is the same. Okay. So the dimensional formula I will write first. You must be thorough with the dimensional formula first. So for that it is equal to m power minus 1, L power 3 and T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for the gravitational constant. Okay, I will take the first system. The first system is SI system. Okay, SI system. And the second system is the CGS system. So this is the CGS system. Now we need the values of M, L and T. So I will take the mass M1 in the first system, SI system. So this is in kilogram. So the mass in the second system M2 is equal to 1 gram because it is a CGS. Similarly, the length in the first system, SI system, no. So this is 1 meter. And here the length in the CGS system is what? 1 centimeter. Similarly, time T1 in the first system is 1 second. And here it is time T2. So that is also equal to 1 second. Okay. Now the numerical value N1. So the numerical value is equal to what? 6.6. Okay. 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. And here what is N2? Okay. N2 is equal to how much we have to find out. Now instead of N1 and N2, I can also say that this is G in SI unit and this is G in the CGS system. Like that also I can write. In place of N1 and N2 I can use the symbol also. So as usual N1 into unit U1. So that is equal to N2 into U2. N1 U1 must be equal to what? N2 into U2. So N1 is the value of G in the SI system. So I am going to substitute here 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into the dimensional formula is M1 power minus 1, L1 power 3 into T1 power minus 2. So this must be equal to, I will take X. X is the value I am going to find out. Okay, X into M1. In place of M1, M2 here. So power minus 1. L2 power 3 into T2 power minus 2. So this is a T2 power minus 2. So all the suffix 1 on the left side and all the suffix 2 on the right side. We want to find the value of X. As usual, we have to bring these terms to the left hand side or we will rearrange the equation. Therefore, what is X now equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 into, okay, multiplied by. So M1 power minus 1 divided by M2 power minus 1 is M1 by M2 whole power minus 1. So I will write this as M1 by M2 whole to the power of minus 1 into L1 by L2, L1 by L2 whole power 3. So this is power 3 into T1 by T2. So this is a T1 divided by T2 whole power minus 2. Now I am going to substitute the value of M1, M2, L1, L2 and T1, T2 inside the brackets from these given informations. So X is now equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into, okay, M1. M1 is 1 kg. So this is 1 kg divided by M2. M2 is 1 gram. 1 gram whole to the power of minus 1. So M2 is 1 gram whole power what? Minus 1. So this is whole to the power of minus 1 into, now L1. So what is L1 here? 1 meter. L2 is 1 centimeter. So I will substitute here 1 meter divided by 1 centimeter whole to the power of 3. Okay. Into this T1 and T2. Okay. T1 and T2 is what? 1 second divided by 1 second only. So irrespective of its power, it get cancelled. No, it get cancelled. Okay. Therefore, this is now equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 into this 1 kilogram is also equal to 1000 gram divided by 1 gram. Okay. And whole power minus 1. The power should be continuously written into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter, and this is power 3. Now the units gram and gram get cancelled, centimeter and centimeter get cancelled. So that the remaining is what? 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into. So after cancelling the units, this is 1000. 1000 is 10 power 3. 10 power 3 whole power is what? Minus 1, is it not? So 1000 is 10 power 3. But 10 power 3 is having a power of minus 1. So I am going to write this directly as 10 power minus 3. Okay, 10 power minus 3 into. Now you see here, this is 100. 100 is 10 power 2. But 10 power 2 is having a power 3. 10 square. Okay, 10 square whole cube is 10 power 6, is it not? 10 power 6. So this is 10 power 6. So this is 10 to the power of minus 11. Here 10 power minus 3. These two negative powers will make 10 power minus 14 into 10 power 6. So that the remaining is what? 10 power minus 8. So this is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, therefore the value of x is nothing but n2. n2 is nothing but the value of g in the CGS system. Okay, so the value of CGS value. So the value of g in the CGS system must be equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8. And the unit is what? Dine centimeter square. So this is dine centimeter square per gram square. So this is the value of G in the CGS system. I hope you have understood. Okay, fine.